So I wasn't here on Friday. The kids had a sub, and the sub report was not that good. So as part of their consequence, they got a worksheet packet. If they did not finish that worksheet packet, it did go home as homework today. It is due tomorrow morning, and it is going to be worth 2 grades this week. Spelling words. I hope you can see that. Spelling words for the week. Spelling test on Friday as always. Since I wasn't here on Friday, the spelling test did get graded today and it was in their mailbox, so they should have their graded test with them today. This week for reading, we're finishing up Out of My Mind. Hopefully we can finish that by next week. We're going to be comparing 2 different informational texts. Last week we worked on Antarctica. This week we're going to be working on Alaska. We're also working on theme, and so like the lesson of the story, we're still working on main idea and supporting details. Another thing that we're working on this week is using evidence from the text. So actually going back and finding the answers within the text. We're working on color coding the answers. Then in math, we're doing multiplication still. We're going to be going all the way to 10 by the end of the week. We're going to start doing timed multiplication tests. And then there's going to be an incentive that I'll tell the kids about tomorrow. It's going to be ice cream sundaes. So for each test they pass, they've earned a small part of their ice cream sundae. It'll go all the way until about Christmas break. So then Christmas break, whatever they have for their ice cream sundae is what treat they'll get at the end. So for example, if they can pass their 1s and 2s, they get a chocolate ice cream scoop. If they pass 3s and 4s, it's a vanilla ice cream scoop. If they pass 5s, they get whipped cream on top. Once they pass 6s, there's sprinkles. And so for each step that they pass all the way to 12s is another thing that they get to add on to their ice cream sundae in December. So we're gonna start working on that. Picture Day. Picture Day is this Friday, September 28th. So the packet is due no later than Friday morning. We earn classroom dollars, so this is how the kids are rewarded for hard work and good behavior. They also get this money taken away as a type of a fine for not doing homework, for any kind of negative behavior and things like that. And so at the end of every month, they get to spend this money in what we call a classroom auction. I'll bring donations. I normally bring like coloring books, slime, candies, popcorn, things like that. I think the highest priced item last time was a pickle. Some kid paid like $40 for a pickle. So just like little things like that, the kids get so excited for. So I'll bring some stuff. Any donations that you want to bring, I mean, that would be amazing. The kids would love it. So we're going to start that classroom auction. It'll be the last day of the month. So next Monday, September 31st will be our auction. So any donations that you want to send, so we'll be happy to have them. Thank you. And while we're on the subject of like rewards for homework and things like that, if your kid talks about Homeworkopoly, we play Homeworkopoly every morning. And so if they do their homework, they get to roll a dice and they get to move their number around the board. Each spot is a different incentive. So like the mystery prize might be a trip to the prize box. It might be getting paid money. Chance is like doing 10 jumping jacks or doing the hokey pokey in front of everybody. Just like fun stuff. Community lunchbox, they get to come in and eat lunch in the classroom with a movie and things like that. So it's just fun. But in order to do that, they have to do homework. So homework every night is read for 20 minutes and take notes, and the notes have to be written down on a Post-it note or on a piece of paper, some kind of proof that I have to see that they actually did read for the night. And then, as always, any work that's not completed in class gets sent home as homework. So they have to do those things in order to roll. So just so you know, because I know that some of them get super excited for that and they get really disappointed if they don't get to roll in the morning, but I have to be fair to everybody. So, but yeah, I think that's about it. If you have any questions or anything, just message me. All right, have a good night.